In this video, we'll explore 15 uplifting phrases that can become your daily mantra, reshaping your mindset and empowering you to navigate life with confidence and grace. Before we delve into the phrases, it's crucial to understand what positive self-talk is. It encompasses affirmations, motivational statements, and constructive self-communication that promote a more optimistic outlook on life. Think of positive self-talk as your inner cheerleader, always ready to encourage and uplift you when self-doubt creeps in. Research shows that our thoughts significantly impact our mental health, motivation, and overall well-being. So, by replacing self-criticism and negativity with positive affirmations, we can foster personal growth and resilience. First, I am capable of achieving great things. Begin each day with the affirmation that you possess the skills and qualities necessary to succeed. This phrase encourages ambition and helps set the tone for a day of positivity. Second, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Life is filled with obstacles, but each challenge can also be a stepping stone toward personal growth. Acknowledge the potential within every setback and embrace a learning mindset. Third, I choose to focus on the good. Training your mind to concentrate on the positive aspects of each situation enables you to cultivate gratitude. This phrase reminds you to redirect your thoughts when negativity arises. Fourth, I am worthy of love and respect. Self-worth is fundamental to happiness. Reassure yourself daily that you deserve to be treated with kindness, first and foremost by yourself. Fifth, I am not defined by my past. Letting go of past mistakes or failures is essential for personal growth. This phrase liberates you from the weight of regret, allowing you to embrace new beginnings. Sixth, I believe in my abilities. Confidence can fluctuate, but reaffirming your belief in your skills empowers you to face challenges head-on. This phrase cultivates steadfast self-assurance. Seventh, I attract positivity and joy. Positivity breeds positivity. By declaring that you attract good energy and joyful experiences, you pave the way for a more fulfilling life. Eighth, each day is a fresh start. Reiterating this phrase reminds you that you have the chance to begin anew each morning. It encourages a forward-thinking mindset and helps dispel feelings of hopelessness. Ninth, I am surrounded by supportive people. Remember that you're not alone in your journey. Acknowledging your support network can boost your morale and reinforce your sense of belonging. 10th, mistakes are part of my journey. Failures and mistakes are not hindrances, they're invaluable life lessons. This phrase helps cultivate resilience and the understanding that every setback can lead to new growth. 11th, I will take one step at a time. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by large goals, this phrase encourages incremental progress. Focusing on one step at a time promotes patience and persistence. 12th, I am enough just as I am. Accepting yourself without needing to meet arbitrary standards is vital for self-love. This powerful affirmation can counteract feelings of inadequacy. 13th, I am in control of my thoughts and actions. taking ownership of your mental narrative and actions fosters a real sense of empowerment. This phrase highlights the power of choice in your life. 14th, I will celebrate my progress no matter how small. Recognizing even the tiniest achievements help cultivate a positive mindset. This phrase encourages the celebration of milestones, fostering a sense of accomplishment. 15th, I am on the path to greatness. Last but not least, affirming that you are progressing towards your goals instills a sense of purpose and motivates you to continue striving for your ambitions. The power of positive self-talk lies not simply in the phrases themselves, but in daily integration and practice. Let's explore several strategies for weaving these affirmations into your routine. First, morning rituals. Start each day by reciting a selection of these phrases. It can be as simple as looking in the mirror and affirming your worth and capabilities. Second, journaling. Write down these phrases in a dedicated journal, reflecting on their meanings and how they resonate with your daily experiences. Third, mindfulness. Integrate these phrases into your mindfulness practice, repeating them while meditating to strengthen their impact. Fourth, create reminders. Place sticky notes with these phrases around your home or workspace to remind you throughout the day to engage in positive self-talk. Fifth, vocal affirmations. Speak these phrases aloud during challenging moments. The act of vocalization can amplify their effects on your mindset. The conversation you have with yourself matters immensely. Positive self-talk serves as a guiding light through life's tumultuous paths, empowering you to rise above challenges and embrace your potential. By incorporating these 15 affirmations into your daily life, you'll not only illuminate your intrinsic strengths, but also cultivate a growth-oriented mindset. The journey of self-affirmation is not an overnight transformation. It requires consistent practice and dedication. However, as you nurture your positive inner dialogues, you'll uncover profound changes in your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Remember, you are capable, worthy, and deserving of all the greatness that life has to offer. So go forth with confidence and unleash the power of your positive self-talk.